Hello, my name is Jamal Moubarak, and this is my reflection video for AOC2 1311 week 4. I am a little late this week. I spent a week and a half in the hospital as I let Miss Korn know. And I even after I got out of the hospital, they're sending me, I have to go take blood twice a week, and I'm following up with 6 doctors, so it's been a crazy 2 weeks for me. But I was determined to get this project done and keep moving on. So I'll go through and give you a little rundown on my code real quick. As you can see, this is my main view controller. You can see that I got rid of the buttons. I added the save, swipe right there. So that's that. I'll show you my other one. Got my date picker still. Close keyboard, swipe left. Got rid of my save button. Besides that, I got rid of all my delegate patterns. That's all gone. I added my save button, which you can see right down here. This is my save button. I have my swipe right here, swipe right, which will open up my add event controller page. When the user clicks the save buttons, it sets the defaults right here. NS user defaults right here, sets it when it clicks it. NS logs, save buttons press, so you could actually see everything's right there. Disables the save button afterwards. Right here, when my singleton passes through, it enables the save button, and when I first load my view controller, I disable my save button. Remove the save button from the header on the add event. I already showed you that. Add a UI label at the top, swipe left. I showed you that, and I could actually go in here and you could see my on swipe. I'm swiping left, right in there, and it shows you, it saves it. I'll go over that in a second. When the user swipes left on the UI label, collect the event title as well as the date. So pretty much when you swipe left right here, it's gonna do, it's gonna get your new event text, which is my text field. If there's nothing in my text, it's gonna run an error or do a error alert, and NS logs out and tells me what happened. But if there is text in the new event text, what it's going to do is it's going to pull my current date, format it as a string, pass the string over into here, and it grabs my what's in the new event text, which is going to be my new event saved, and it's going to pass that over here and send it over into my singleton, and then dismiss that screen, the add event controller. If the user does not select a date, the default date, I had a lot of problems with that. I was writing all of my code in my date picker. Everything was working fine, but I was not able to get I was receiving null if the user did not input a date. So let's go ahead and run this. Let me see, I'm running it on my test app, or I mean on the simulator right now. I have one in there. You can see my save button is disabled. I'll right click that, and we could go ahead and type in test space 2, close keyboard, we'll swipe left, and you can see the default time on there. Save is now active. I could go ahead and press that. We could go Command Shift Home twice, close that out, stop the app, rerun it, and you could actually see right down here that my stored data came back, new event, those two right there, and you could see them in here. So we could go ahead and swipe right. I'll add another one, test 3, close keyboard. You can see no minimum. Oh, here, let it bounce back, goes back. So we'll go ahead and just kind of move a couple of these like so. Swipe left, adds it in there. I'm not going to save it. And then we'll go ahead and close out. Stop the app. Rerun it. And you can see it did not save that because I did not hit the save button. So as of right now, everything's working on there. I will go ahead and we could launch it on my iPad. You can see pops up on my iPad. Swipe right. Go ahead. Well, actually here, let's go ahead and swipe left. Error, you have not entered any text. So we'll close that out. We'll do a test. No date. Swipe it, and it shows you right there. Comes up with current date and time. Hit save. Close it out. And close that out. And let's stop it here, rerun it, pops back up. You can see right here, it shows my stored data, new event test, right there. So you can see that everything is working how it is supposed to. I'm glad that I finally got this week done so I can move on to week 1 of the next class. I've been watching videos while I've been laying in bed in the hotel, or in the hospital. So I mean, I do have some of it done. What I did for my project is the date planner. Sorry, I'm going through these questions. Short overview. I went over a short overview and done better. I wish I had tons more time. I mean, that's always my issue is time. I would have been able to dress this up a little bit better, make it look a little bit better. I mean, it's not terrible, but I think it definitely could have been better. But I'm glad that I'm done, and I need to catch up. So that is my week 4, and I enjoyed the class, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.